Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking 1 or 2 kick samples that complement the track. Choose a core with weight and an accent for attack. Once chosen, set your project tempo and drag the kick onto the grid so transients hit the downbeats exactly. Make a dedicated kick channel and immediately route it to its own bus. This keeps processing contained. Also, make sure other tracks are low-cut below 30 Hz so the kick sub remains uncluttered and focused. You now sculpt tone and dynamics. Start with a clean EQ to remove 200-400 Hz muddiness and gently boost 50-100 Hz for sub-weight and 2-5K Hz for click. Once done, use a transient shaper or fast compressor to tighten the attack and control sustain. For impact, send to a parallel compression bus with a moderate ratio and bring it in by ear. Make sure to add subtle saturation for harmonics and check phase when layering another kick to avoid cancellations. You finish by sending the kick to a bus chain, light multi-band compression to tame resonances, then gentle limiting to control peaks while preserving punch. Once balanced, compare loudness and tone to a reference track and automate the kick level for verses and drops so it sits consistently. Make sure your gain staging leaves headroom for the master. If things go wrong and the low end collapses, check phase and polarity between layers and confirm mono compatibility. This fixes most cancellation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.